How to delete your Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimul from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Snapchat account. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Snapchat account, you have to just go ahead and then first, if you were on iOS, you would have to tap on Snapchat, tap on the profile icon from the top left and tap on the gear icon on the top right. And if you looked under the account actions, you'd be able to find the option called delete account only for iOS or iPhone users. But for Android users, as you can see, we do not have the option to delete our account over here. And it's a little bit different process. For that, you can simply open up your browser, let's say any of the browser for example. And what you want to do is in the search box, you just want to go ahead and then actually type in the address bar of Snapchat, for which I'll also make sure to leave the link in the description box. That is accounts.snapchat.com/account/delete-account or _account. So which is accounts.snapchat.com/account/delete-account, and then just hit the search button. I'll make sure to leave a direct link in the description box, and this will directly take you to a page where you want to delete your account. And all you have to do is, it says if you're sure that you want to delete your account, please enter your username and password below, then press continue. Your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose access to any chats you've saved and anything, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. Until then, it is going to remain accessible if you try to log into your account. So just go ahead and enter the username or email address or phone number or the password of the account that you're trying to deactivate or delete, and just tap on the continue button from the bottom. And that's all it takes to delete your Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.